Today I thought I'd have a go at making butter soap. Yes, real butter, dairy butter. Why am I doing that, you might ask? Well, the reason is that, I was curious about whether you can make soap from dairy butter, which I was curious quite a long time ago. So I go and have a look at the forums to find out how to make soap using dairy butter, and then I come across like pages and pages and pages of comments like this.
Yes, you can soap butter, but according to the folks I know of that have done so, you will end up with a soap that smells like vomit from the very high butyric acid present in dairy butter. Sick. A friend and I tried making soaps with different brands of butter. She agreed with me that they all ended up smelling bad. Even if the initial bar does not smell, it would leave my hands smelling like spoiled, nasty butter. Even with lavender, I could smell it linger on my hands. I would save the butter for toast and not waste the ingredients. I had a feeling it was the butyric acid in the butter.
Butter and ghee make soap that smells like baby vomit. Butyric acid is the culprit.
So being the type of person that I am, I've just got to go and test this out for myself and see whether it really does smell of vomit. Here goes. Okay, so my butter is really hot. My lye is going cold, so I'm going to risk putting it in. Now, no horrendous smell so far. They look nice, but do they smell bad? No, can't smell anything horrible. I'll try them on other people. I could smell these all day. Don't smell like vomit to me. Here, daughter.
What?
Oh, here.
Daughter?
Shh. Here, come and smell this soap and tell me.
Oh, does it smell of vomit?
Well, we'll see, won't we? Just put in the milkware. Smell this and let's get your reaction. What does it smell of?
Not a right lot.
Not a right lot. Not a right lot.
There's a little something there, but nothing to sort of get really.
Yeah, it doesn't smell. It just smells of soap to me.
Well, yeah, it's normal soap.
My daughter's coming to have a smell now.
I don't want to smell this.
What are you saying? You're saying you don't want to smell it?
No.
Come here. Right, I want a reaction to the. You pick it up then. Smell it.
It smells like the rest of your soap.
It just smells like the rest of my soap.
It does smell a bit buttery, but like.
It smells a bit buttery.
I just want to talk.
Does it smell of vomit? Does it smell of really wet, nasty feet that have, when somebody's been going in a swamp for a week or something?
Might do later.
Might do later. Seems okay. It's bubbling. It's creaming. Does it smell now? No, does not smell like vomit. Is it going to make my skin feel dry? Because that's supposed to be another result of having too much milk fat in your soap. My hands feel fine. They really do. They don't feel dry. Don't feel dry at all. Oh, hold on. Jake. He hasn't smelt it yet. Smell this soap.
Smells like sick.
It smells like sick, he says.
I'm joking, not really.
He says he's joking. It doesn't really. What does it smell of? Son says doesn't smell of anything. That's our opinion.